missing. It's missing. Listen. Like a contact with a kill switch. Yeah. It's not like a kill switch. Have you pulled it out? No, I'm killed it. It's missing. Missing quite bad. Every time I reckon, B. Oh, she started missing again. Aye?
And the clutch has gone.
Really?
It's trying to go, look. I'm holding it back.
Oh, your spring's gone.
Got 8 spring in it, you know, the strong spring.
8,000.
Yeah. It shouldn't have broke, should it?
No, I would have thought so.
I've got to check that.
I'm pissed about my MCD, that was having it. Off film, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Might just need a tuning, it might just be warm. I'm a good cameraman, me, ain't I? I'll keep it in the middle of the frame.
Yeah.
I'm a good cameraman. I think Steve's clutch is gone.
Is it gone?
Yeah, I think so.
Mate, this thing rips so good.
Oh, I think one of them scored.
Oh, he's actually superb, mate. Oh.
Does it? Huh? It don't want to roll over, it actually just slides. So you've got to be careful with the XR5, it just flip. Oh, is that on full power?
No, I was in the full beans they coming here.
see how it turned on full power. Oh, that worked fucking bad. Huh? That worked bad. That was all centre. It was all in the middle. Alright, this time. Woo! You run it down.
Woo, baby.
You run it down.